Hi and welcome to my playhouse. And today I'm still on vacation. And yesterday or the day before that I cut my hinge over here. I posted that on Twitter with spelling errors and everything. But today I want to make up some more room in the garage, or at least try and fix something that I broke a couple of years ago. This thing. I have a chop saw thingy here, and I was actually doing a set piece for a short comedy movie film thing. There is 2 videos on my channel about that. Might link to those. But in the middle of making some scenery stuff, some set pieces, this saw started to smoke and gave up. Or it didn't really give up, it just sparkled and smoked, and well, I thought it would be best to not do anymore. And I pulled some water on it, so it's probably really crapped up. But I thought that today I would take it out and see if it has just been sitting here for 2 years taking up space for no reason at all, or if I should really go and throw it out. I didn't pay much for this. I think I paid about 800 kroner for it. I got it on a really good offer, and I've been looking for it since, but the price has gone up on these saws. It's a really crappy. This is like here in Denmark it's called Harald Nyborg. It's the same as Harbor Freight. You can get some really cheap tools. They are not always the best quality, but I had this for some years and it was way outside of warranty, so that couldn't help me. But well, I'll drag it out of here and see if we can, what it does. Okay, there's a lot of loose pieces here. We're gonna get those away. So the really great thing about this saw is, of course, it can be used as a chop saw. It doesn't go forth and back, but you can take it down and you can take it further down and you can lock it in place, and then it's down, and you can flip the table around, and it's kind of a table saw. Should have moved that one out of the way, but there you have it. It's a table saw like that, and I do believe that I was using it as a table saw when it stopped working. It would be okay if it would work again. I wouldn't mind. It was okay when it was working, and I just changed the blade on it when it decided to die on me. There's really only one thing to do. Try and connect power to it again. See if sitting for 2 or 3 years has changed its mind. Down here, power on, and it doesn't do anything in this mode. I flipped it around again. I thought this would be the least dangerous way of trying it. So I don't think that's good. It's not supposed to do that. Yeah, I think that's a no-go. Might be a no-go. Smells nice. As this is a very cheap tool, it actually comes with spare parts. So we might just open it up, try and check down here if one of these pieces that transfer the voltage and down to the coils, you open up that one and that one on the other side, and we'll go check if they are broken. I have turned it off. Yeah, this doesn't look great. This could be bad. I'll check the one on the bottom. Doesn't look that bad. Oh, I can actually kind of get the camera into the hole here, and you can see the motor down there. Did I call it an engine again? Oh crap. It's a motor. It doesn't look great, but Yeah, it could still be working. We could try and put those. I really can't remember what these are called. I'm sure you will let me know in the comments. But yeah, we're gonna try and put these new ones in, see how that goes. So it's not a big problem. They go in. Cool. Very nice little system here. Go in and put that one on top and tighten. Cool. And I'll do the bottom one. Okay, I did the bottom one and I've connected power, so let's see if it's does the same thing. Yeah, it's on fire. Yeah, I think we have a winner here. That one is done for. I do not think we want to waste any more time on that. Look at this. It has eaten one of them. It must be down there somewhere. Maybe that has happened before, and why it's sparkling all over the place. Yeah, the other side is also just gone. Let's open up and see what we have inside. I think there are some screws here that I might be able to undo. Okay, I had hoped that was just gonna pop out. That was apparently too easy. Well, I'll have to persuade it somehow. Someone has hidden some screws on the end here, just outside of camera angle view thing. Yeah, we need to get in there. Thank you. One. Sure, that's gonna help. Yeah. Ooh. It doesn't look good in here. Just remove the screws around here, and yeah, plastic, because I want my new blade. I'm not gonna give that one up that easily. So, do I need to loosen that one? I think so. I think this goes the wrong way around, doesn't it? I'm really good at buying new tools and forgetting about them in years. So what do we have? Let's see. 16. 16. Too big. Probably a 15 then. It's very loose. It could be a 14. Okay. Then it's probably won't go on. Oh, it's a 14. The blade goes that way, so I would have no idea. Let's try. Okay. Maybe not that way. Maybe it's the other way. Does it budge? Nah. Hammer. Yeah. There we go. One of the screws that is screwed in the opposite way. And And there is my reasonably good blade. There. It's another one of those purchases in Lidl. I'm pretty sure that I got it there. And sometimes you can just find these blades, 3 blades for 89 kronas or 98 kronas, I forget. But yeah, one of the blades. Okay, I was not able to get in here, but it does not look good. I think I'm actually gonna get an opportunity to throw something out. This opportunity does not come often. There's the handle. Oh, there's screws on the bottom as well. Sneaky bastards. Electronics or the cables and stuff are probably still good. So I'm gonna borrow this. Good wire. And there is some electronics here for emergency and safety. This box is still good. An on-off thing that can automatically do something. We're keeping that. Okay, after negotiations, we are also in here. And there are some switches and stuff that I want to have as well. Good big one there. So I'm gonna take it apart some more and throw out the rest. There is some pieces here and there, like these finger screws. These, I like those. I'll keep those with the bolt. There's also these orange finger screws here, like those two. I'll have those. And the contacts, and the rest goes out. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again. Maybe throwing out some other stuff. Hopefully someday. Have a really nice day. Bye bye.